brothers and sisters, he's no stranger to the stratosphere. But for those who never get to experience the vibes, yes, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for no other than Amaziyah the Great.
Great indeed. Maximum respect and thanks. Once again, this is a big respect. Stratosphere, Ethan, Ras, Atiba, the dance and the whole production team, Rastapura, Lori, Spanish Town, Jamaica, my place, but with the New York at the moment. So this one I go on. This one is called Sick. I am sick, no jokes, pay attention closely. I'm sick and lonely with no one to hold me. Boldly she told me I was her one and only. I'm sick of her lies because she was in bed with Anthony. I'm sick of fake friends who never promote me. I'm sick of being talented and even my family doubts me. I'm sick of the shit radio stations play mostly. If it wasn't for Rasatiba, some of you people that never hear about me. I'm sick in a cold, dark world. Sick without my life now seems to sparkle. I'm sick of crying tears, no one to talk to. When Johnny hear me grumbling in the bathroom and ask Daddy, why you argue? I'm just sick of being broke, son, and can't even do what I want to do. I'm sick of fake foods and fake medication. I'm sick of fake news, fake information. Some sick and confused fake education. Amaziyah the Great views. Rastakura will living among a sick generation. Tell them precisely. Next one I'm gonna drop real quick, it's called The Fight. Big respect to a Brooklyn.tv. All my fans them all over yes on the social media platform, maximum respect. The Fight. Lori. In this mind of mine, I took time to find more time to be fine. As my thoughts incline and climb on I. March, I refuse to let Eden drain energy from I. Monsters are creeping, thinking I'm sleeping, I'm fully awake, 4 decades bleeding. Fighting while smiling, even while I'm weeping, the journey continues, even while I'm bleeding. You will never make it. I know they're speaking, their fiction is signally misleading. Persuasion, invasions, beasts and zombies trying to control me but can't understand me. Be silent. I fight without violence. Spoken words of you like a hostage tyrant. I am your children's children, history assignment. Writing myself in the future with provoking highlights to capture your eyesight. I need you to understand me, it's pointless you try and ban me. I'm fueling the world with words like bright lights. I write what I like, whether or not you like it's my choice. I'm greater than your thought, tell them precisely. The fight continues, there are many others just like me. Next one I'm gonna drop it, skull caught on camera. The conversation grew heated after she found out he had cheated. Tears gushing down her face. She said, Craig, I'm feeling so defeated. In 3 years I've been faithful, now I'm becoming so hateful. I hate liars and pretenders, fake and they are grateful. Rasatiba, I thought my words would help her, but she was fuming in raging temper. She says, Kirkland, this is it, I'm done with this. I am going to murder the helper. Hold on, they were wrong with you. Have to be straight. Mind you get yourself in trouble with the law, I see wrath in your face. Takura, she suddenly pretended to start laugh like she glad. Then seconds after she start talk like she mad. She said, I'm gonna murder her bumbo car, make she walk past she bad. I was like, honey, calm down and breathe easily. I've never seen you this pissed before. You're smart with a strong heart, you never talked like this before. She said, Craig, I had enough, it's rough, I will not compromise. I looked in Billy's eyes and watched him telling silly lies. March, he laid with the maid, I asked him, he denied. But he was caught on camera, and now I realized. That nasty helper, she and him having unprotected sex the other day while I was away. I kid you not. She said, this is the part that grieved me. While he was all up inside her, she was like, breathe me, Billy, breathe me. Promise you'll never leave me. and have the audacity to fake a smile when she see me. Her eyes extend larger as she uttered me, I'm going to murder them. I advise her to seek psychotherapy, perhaps that helps, because depression is that thing to make you feel like your inside melts. Thank you. Can I steal one more, please, for the ladies? All right. I didn't get for the tree, but I'll steal one more real quick. For all you beautiful ladies here tonight, you are remarkable. You are strong. You are one of God's greatest gifts. Follow him and you'll never go wrong. You are smart. You are noble. Take heed, ears, to these words I've told you. You see, the skies were overcast and then torrential rain for days. Throughout your darkest moments, you experience pain for days. Cold and bitter, angry and confused, but be cautious with your steps before you make the wrong moves. And if you're feeling a bit empty right now, somewhat unsatisfied, fret not, for God already sent an angel to be a travel guide. You'll be okay, okay? Just know that God is real. After you overcome the sophisticated phase, you'll be the strongest you ever feel. You are remarkable, you are sweet. So trample all the pockets beneath your feet. Be patient and pray more. You'll be okay. Forget about them who not believe in you because you have no time to play. You are a fighter, a survivor who resists to quit. You're loved. You're a goddess. You deserve lifetime happiness. Maximum respect. The book is out. Look out. Check it out at Amazon. Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Precisely Great. Do remember, January 20, 2024 is the Pawtucket Poetry 20th anniversary. You heard me? So roll out early. Precisely Rasatiba. Maximum love and respect.
Yes. Put your hands together for Craig A. Kirkland. And let me say, he's also a filmmaker, you know. Yeah, that's one of the things that we're doing. So put your hands together again for the You see right now, I have to say something about Amaziyah, the great. Okay. When I met Amaziyah, he was practicing from Jamaica. Jamaica is my home country. There I was born. And when he decided to move to this beautiful country, United States of America, with no apology, you understand me? He's like, he come to me and say, Rasatiba, I would like to be a part of one of your events. I'm going to say, true, alright. The man take train. And when he come, he say, Rasatiba, I want to turn. I'm going to say, here now. Do this, do that. He might pass the location still, but he end up finding. And one of the first things I said to him when he come to this country, I say, you're not living in Jamaica anymore. Okay? About 200 countries, I'm not sure, close to 200 countries in the world. And this beautiful city we call NYC, it is a possibility that you might meet a person from each of these countries. So when you come to the United States to practice poetry, creativity, you're on the world stage. Adjustments and all them things they have to make. And believe me, I don't know if I 1 year or 2 years, but I am proud of this creative, his accomplishment, and what he did with art, roots and culture. It's amazing. He created bridges all over this country. I want to talk about the location that he's presently, belong to, but the word, I can't pronounce the word so good. So I don't want to see it to me like, what?
Rhode Island.
And the people.
Part of it.
Part of it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, they have this great movement in Rhode Island. Part of it?
Yes.
Yeah, poetry movement. And when we take a stock and we look, and we see when Amaziyah do, Me say, Lord of His mercy. With him doing that 2 years, take me 30 years to do. You understand me? The man move fast, you see what? But believe me, if I was to look at a creative from the diaspora and say, listen to me, take a page out of Amaziyah book. So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I want you to put your hands together for this talented brother. Kirkland. And we present Craig Kirkland today with a Time Ross Production Certificate of Excellence. Is hereby granted to Craig A. Kirkland for his contributions to global performance dub poetry and the Sarabita art, roots and culture movement from Brooklyn, NYC. And this is a Sarabita Merit Award 2023.
Turn it around, and let it go. Right.
Yes, and we from Brooklyn, we thank you for being a part of this global community, and we wish you all the best on your creative journey. And I just want to say hi to your beautiful wife, Miss Lori. Thank you for coming out also. And my brother, it's all yours. You can say what you want to say now. So. Yeah.
Well, maximum respect and give thanks. Rasatiba recalled it like it was just yesterday. Well, it's been over 2 years since me decided to reside. You get me? And it's been over 3 years since every single word that you said just now, you recall it like it just right just in front of you. You get me? And one of the things that Rasatiba embrace, you know, this space is for all of us. He makes sure to tell me, say, yo, this is not just a one-man thing. And I proudly say King Atiba, King Takura, are two of the island that we look up to from Jamaica, because these are some of the people that will motivate and inspire me to continue to keep going as I keep growing. You get me? And they try to teach me, say, yo, not to be selfish. So, me reaching out from Jamaica to this place where I'm at one point, but then in New York, I'm hungry. And if I reach out to Rasatiba or anybody else, they would have really stretched forward. But I told myself, you know, I have to do this because I'm a grown man. And at one point, I was speaking with Antonia Valier on the phone, and I said, Antonia, you know me there, and I really want to put my book out. And she encouraged me and guided me along the way and say, yo, you do this, you do that. You get me? And me putting out my book, remember, you know, you have some people violating me back in Jamaica, and I never just take that to a different level where it could have been darkness. I say, God, lead. And because the minute when they say God lead, when we reach up and create a book called Don't Cry, you get me? And put out that book, it's available on Amazon by Craig Kirkland. It made me connect to whole heap more people. A lot of people all over, not just in America, all over the globe. And for sister me is a ghetto youth, Spanish Town in my place. I will come from some of the grimy part of Spanish Town. It goes to show that the youth they will fight against each other. You get what I'm saying? Killing off each other. You can take a different road. Maximum respect again to Rasatiba, Ethan. You put me out upon a global space just the same. So maximum respect. I'm really honored and elated to be part of this. You know, as Atiba said when I came, because from Jamaica, I watch the movement, so I say, yes, I would want to be in New York and I will find that place. I never know which part I go. He just tell me, just jump on the train, and I just did just that. You get me? And when I come here, I embrace me like a real biological brother. You get me? And now reaching from New York, I spent 6 months here the night after Rhode Island. Hooking up with Pawtucket Poetry is an amazing thing. she put me on to a whole heap of people who do poetry in this poetic space. And them embrace me and me embrace them just the same. Because when these warriors teach me, continue with the movements, and I am honored and elated to receive this merit award. Sarabita, Rasatiba, you and your daughter continue with the journey. Maximum respect in every aspect.
Thank you very much. Yes, in Kirkland. And everybody are going to do a thing tonight, but I want everybody to really feel super special.